Most people are waiting to invest in crypto until they can afford to do it properly. That is the mistake. $100 per month invested through dollar-cost averaging has historically produced the same percentage return as any other amount. The mechanism does not scale down. Here is the exact portfolio and the 5-step system for running it without making a single emotional decision. Welcome to the Rational Crypto, where we cut through the hype and focus on what actually works. Long-term thinking, disciplined investing, and data-driven decisions. No gambling, no leverage, no get-rich-quick schemes. Just rational strategies for building real cryptocurrency wealth. Let's dive in. Here is the execution gap that destroys most retail crypto investors. It is not capital, it is discipline. 92% of active crypto traders underperform investors who simply buy and hold a fixed amount consistently. The underperformance is not caused by lack of money, it is caused by interruption. They skip buys when fear spikes. They increase buys when euphoria peaks and pay the highest prices. They check prices daily and make decisions the strategy was designed to prevent. A $100 per month portfolio run with discipline outperforms a $500 per month portfolio run with emotional interference. This video covers 3 things. What $100 per month actually produces, with real numbers, the exact allocation across 3 risk levels, the 5-step system for running the strategy without requiring willpower. Let's start with the numbers. Let's look at the data. $100 per week, dollar cost averaged into Bitcoin over 5 years represents approximately $26,000 in total capital deployed. At the historical return for that period, approximately 650%, the portfolio value reached approximately $195,000. That is the weekly version. For a $100 per month budget, approximately $6,000 invested over 5 years at the same 650% return, approximately $45,000. The percentage return is identical. The mechanism is identical. The only difference is the amount entered and the time required to build a meaningful position. Now, here is the version that accounts for cycle timing. Fear-based DCA, investing specifically when the fear and greed index drops below 25, has historically produced returns exceeding 1,100% across multiple years. The same $100 per month applied during confirmed fear periods compounds that advantage. The point is not the absolute number. The point is that $100 per month is not a practice run for when you have more money. It is a fully functional, data-backed strategy that builds real wealth over time. 3 allocation options. Each one is a rule, not a starting suggestion. Choose the one that matches your current situation and hold it for at least 12 months before reassessing. Conservative allocation, $70 Bitcoin, $30 Ethereum. 2 assets, no complexity, no monitoring of additional positions. This is the portfolio that most rational investors should start with, and that most investors should maintain for longer than they think. Moderate allocation, $65 Bitcoin, $25 Ethereum, $10 in one selected top 10 asset. The $10 edition gives you exposure to 1 additional position, chosen through the 5 criterion filter. Top 10 by market cap, active developer base, real utility, institutional adoption, and full cycle survivability. Aggressive allocation. This is the maximum recommended. $50 Bitcoin, $30 Ethereum, $20 in selected top 10 assets, Bitcoin and Ethereum combined. Minimum 70%. That ratio does not change regardless of market conditions. If you are tempted to drop Bitcoin below 50% because another asset is performing better, you are responding to price momentum, not to a rational allocation decision. The rule exists precisely for that moment. The most important step in this system is also the simplest. Automate the buy. Every major crypto exchange, Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, offers a recurring buy feature. You set the amount, the frequency, and the asset. The exchange executes the buy automatically on the schedule you define. No monthly decision, no remembering, no opportunity for emotion to interfere. Here is the setup for a conservative $100 per month allocation on your chosen exchange. Set a recurring monthly buy of $70 into Bitcoin. Set a second recurring monthly buy of $30 into Ethereum. Same date each month. That is the entire setup. For the moderate allocation, add a third recurring buy of $10 into your selected top 10 asset. The automation is the strategy. Without it, the strategy requires a monthly decision, and monthly decisions accumulate into emotional interference over time. Decision fatigue is real. DCA eliminates approximately 90% of investing decisions by design. Use the technology to enforce the discipline you have committed to. Quick pause. If this framework is giving you a concrete, actionable structure for building your crypto portfolio, subscribe and hit the bell. We cover the complete rational investing system regularly. Not tips, not predictions, just the framework. Now, the 5 decision rules that protect this strategy once it is running. 5 rules. Write them down before you set up the automation. Rule 1. Never skip a scheduled buy. Not when price is down, not when the news is bad, not when you are uncertain. The schedule is the strategy. A single skipped buy is the beginning of abandoning the system. Rule 2. Never change the amount based on price. Your monthly amount is fixed. It does not increase because Bitcoin is rising, and it does not decrease because Bitcoin is falling. If you want to increase your DCA, set a new fixed amount and hold it for at least 6 months. Rule 3. Review monthly, not daily. Check your portfolio once per month. Record your Bitcoin stack size. Close the app. Daily checking creates the emotional environment where bad decisions happen. Rule 4. Measure in Bitcoin, not in dollars. At each monthly review, the question is, how many Bitcoin do I hold today compared to last month? If the stack is growing, the strategy is working. The dollar value is secondary. Rule 5. Define your exit conditions before you need them. Write down the conditions under which you will begin reducing your position. The Phase 3 exit signals, fear and greed above 85 for 2 consecutive weeks, weekly RSI above 80, MVRVZ score above 7, are documented in a separate video. Your personal exit rules must be written before price is rising and emotion is telling you to hold forever. The key: this strategy produces results over time. The one risk is abandoning it. These 5 rules are designed to make abandonment harder. If this gave you a concrete system for building your crypto portfolio on $100 per month, hit the like button. It helps more long-term investors find a rational, executable strategy. Let's land this. $100 per month, invested through dollar cost averaging, with the allocation split between Bitcoin and Ethereum at a minimum 70%, automated so no monthly decision is required, and protected by 5 decision rules. This is a fully functional, data-backed wealth-building strategy. The historical return for Bitcoin DCA over 5 years is approximately 650%. You do not need more capital to access that return. You need the discipline to run the system without interrupting it. Your homework. Before this video ends, open your exchange app and set up one recurring buy, just one, $70 into Bitcoin, monthly on the same date. That first automation is the hardest step. Everything after that is maintenance. The $100 per month portfolio is the foundation. The next layer is understanding how cycle awareness changes how you deploy that same amount, accumulating more aggressively during confirmed bear markets and reducing exposure as late cycle signals fire. That is where the strategy becomes significantly more powerful. There is so much more to explore here to help you build crypto wealth rationally. Hit that next video and keep the momentum going. Your future self will thank you. If this added value to your crypto strategy, hit that like button. It helps more people find rational crypto education. Subscribe for regular deep dives on DCA, psychology, and cycle-aware investing. Drop your biggest crypto question in the comments below. Until next time, stay rational.